Hi, good morning everyone. So this is my analysis for the upcoming London session, which is going to start within 1 hour and 10 minutes. Okay, time frame you can choose according to you, but for my time frame, it's going to start at 12:30. Okay. Anyways, it's going to start after 1 hour. So here I am looking for a buy. Let me show you the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, we can see clearly this is in an uptrend. It's going up. Okay, and coming to the 15 minutes, sorry, yeah, here, so I'm looking for a buy in this because here you can clearly see the sellers have rested. Sellers are doing nothing. I don't think they have much power here, so looking for a buy in this, and this will be my stop loss level. I don't know where I could grab the price, but I will try to grab it as lower as possible, and this will be my first target and this will be my second target. So let's see how it develops when the market opens at 12:30, and we'll be looking for a buy in this. My next pair is pound cad. In the pound cad, what I am saying is, coming to the 4 hour, this is in a complete downtrend, which you can see clearly here. Now the next thing is that if it's in a downtrend, then we should go with the trend only. Remember one thing, trend is our friend. So here what I'm looking is for a sell, definitely for a sell, and I would be looking to take this trade from this level or maybe somewhat from here to get a good price. This should be my stop loss, and this will be my first target and this will be my second target. Okay, this red line will be my first target. So let's see how it develops, how it performs, standing by on this trade. And my next one is pound New Zealand. In pound New Zealand, what I'm looking here is, this is an what we call downtrend, clear downtrend is here. And the next thing what I'm looking here is, coming to the 1 hour. See, here I'm doing dissection because lower the time frame you go, you will get the minute detailed information. Okay, so here prices have started to show some rejection, although not so sure, but they have started to show some rejection. So once there is a good rejection in this, definitely I would be looking for a sell in this. And the pattern which I would be following is, price should come here and then it should show some struggle, which will make me confirmation that the sellers are back. Sellers can attack anytime. So I would love to take entry at this level, stop loss here, and target definitely this one. So let's see how this develops. So these are all three pairs from my side, and based upon this you can look to trade in the upcoming London session. Let's see how it performs. Thank you. The next video will be coming in the New York session. Standing by.